Welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to connect ACER laptop to printer. If you find the solution of your problem, then watch the video till the end so you cannot miss any important step. And if you find this video helpful, so please consider subscribing our channel for more this type of content. If you want to connect ACER laptop to printer, then we need to follow some steps. If your printer is a wireless printer, then we need to follow some steps. For that, you will need to go to your computer and laptop settings. When you go to your computer and laptop settings, then you will see this type of interface. In the left side, you will see the Bluetooth and devices option. When you click on Bluetooth and devices, then you will see these options. Here you will see the option of printer and scanner. Go to printer and scanner. In the printer and scanner option, here you will see add a printer or scanner. Simply click on add device. When you click on add device, then you will see the printer which you want to connect. So select the printer which you want to connect. Then simply click on connect. After your printer will be connected to your laptop. That's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.